Well, it seems that indicating of a feed shaft is not really an option, because as I'm putting tension on it up and down, you can see the dial gauge is, well, indicator is in contact, but the problem is on this side, this problem is on this side we have a clutch which is not really fixed. It can move a bit up and down on the shaft in the gearbox, and it'll also allows a bit of play for the shaft itself inside the clutch. So indicating of feed shaft is not really a good idea. You can't get far with it, and feed shaft will actually allow more tolerance, more misalignment without any serious issues. So I don't think I'm gonna worry about it too much, and I'm gonna concentrate now on indicating the lead screw, and I'm just gonna move the feed shaft out of the way.